Tassos Sakos here. Welcome to my new listing at 482 El Rio in Danville. Your own Spanish oasis on almost 2 acres. I'm really excited to show you this place. It is amazing. Even though this property is move-in ready, with the large parcel that's all usable, there's endless possibilities. Whether you're an equestrian lover, or a car buff wanting to build a garage and workshop, or an ADU, or an investor looking to take advantage of SB9 and create another parcel that is hugely valuable in this location with these views. Let's continue to tour this property and see all the features. Here in this amazing chef's kitchen, right off of the family room, with a straight shot to your backyard, which is a true entertainer's paradise. You have a swimming pool, outdoor fireplace, outdoor kitchen, everything you can think of for entertaining. Super private and lush landscaping makes it feel like you're at your own private resort.